So this comes from a common question. I had the client come in the other day, mid-progress, to inspect the car. He was asking why there's water spots. Technically, it's not water spots. Well, it is water. It's our soap and our water solution that we use when we're applying the paint protection film. Paint protection film goes on wet, distilled water, Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, no tears. So inevitably, we're gonna get some overspray. It's just distilled water and baby shampoo, but we'll just go ahead and use some distilled water and a light alcohol, isopropyl, about a 10% mix, and we'll wipe off any residual shampoo. It's not gonna hurt the car. I like to work clean in the shop, so I like these vehicles always to be presentable. So if the customer wants to pop in and check inspection, inspect the progress, if the prospect shows up, the work's always presentable. Just using the towel there so I don't finger mark it. So yeah, we're good. So that's wiping after we do paint protection film installation.
Packages, pricing, and more, visit us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.